Hi everyone, this is the third episode of the Inktober 2024 Brainstorming Prompts series. If you are new to Inktober, let me introduce you to it with this video linked in the description. Also, you'll find the links to my previous episodes on Backpack and Discover in the description. Now, let's brainstorm boots. You can draw a hiker in boots, someone walking on snow wearing boots. I remember wearing snow boots when I went to Snow Kingdom at VGP in Chennai. You can draw a model wearing boots with pretty design and posing for a photo. There are also boots with heels. My neighbor at Coimbatore has a lot of plants and pretty planters. They have a planter that looks like a boot with a snail on top of it, a golden boot trophy for football. Santa Claus wears boots. You can draw a cowboy in boots. There's a movie called Puss in Boots, so something from that movie. It would be funny to draw cute animals wearing oversized boots. If you have a character for Inktober that you're incorporating in every sketch, it could be wearing an oversized boot for this prompt. Boots as a character with the laces as arms, such that when the laces are tied, they look like crossed arms. Boots manufacturer or logo of Boots brand. A roadside cobbler mending boots. Soldiers standing in a line wearing boots. Maybe a scene from March Past. Rain boots are an option. Worn out boots by the front door. You can draw someone polishing boots. Boots on display in a footwear shop with maybe a sailboard on top. Muddy boot impressions on clean tiles. Booting also means starting a computer. I hope this helps. Add your ideas in comments and feel free to tag me in your Inktober sketches on Instagram to be featured on my story. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with the next prompt, Exotic.